What's up, YouTube? Today I'm back with another banger right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. If you guys are new here, like, subscribe, man. Comment down below, man. All that good stuff. Hit them likes, man. It don't cost a dime, man. So anyway, today right here on Dad's Kitchen, man, we're whipping up some shrimp and broccoli, homemade, man, from scratch. This meal only takes about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 15, because you have to boil broccoli, fresh broccoli. You can use the frozen bag if you don't want to use the fresh broccoli. It's quicker. So anyway, let's get into this right here. Get over here. Yeah, right here on Dad's Kitchen. First thing first, we wash our hands right here, man. Yes, Lord, we wash our hands. You know what I'm saying? Kill all the germs, man. You know, we touching food, so we gotta make sure these cans is clean when we doing our thing right here on Dad's Kitchen. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show y'all what I'm working with right now. Give me something to dry my hands off with. Water over there boiling. I'm about to drop that broccoli in there. Cook that for about, get over here. Yeah. So first thing first, guys, we got the big prawns, lovely prawns. I don't know how much nothing is, man, by weight and all that. So now we got the lovely broccoli. We got cornstarch. We got chopped minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic, but I prefer this because it's quick and already chopped up. You got the sesame seed oil. Guys, this is very important when you're cooking any Chinese food, basically. Paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and a little garlic salt, right? And some Worcestershire sauce. This is, you know, to your taste buds, or preferable if you like it. So anyway, we're gonna get into this, guys. What we're gonna do now is we're about to drop this broccoli right here in that hot water, right? And we're gonna boil this for about 5 minutes, right? You don't wanna get it too soft, so you don't wanna overcook your broccoli. So we're just gonna steam this for about 5 minutes right here. We already got these rinsed off. You want a little bit of that green onion, and then you want this back green onion because this is where the flavor is right here of the onion part. But I'm just put a little bit of green onion with it too, but mostly this. So just slice these up real good, right? Yes, man, flavor, man. You want your food flavor, right? You want it the bomb way? You do it Dad's way right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Nobody does it better, man. I got over 100 something, maybe almost 200 now, cook videos. Go check them out, man. Right there on the Kareem Family channel. Go to the playlist up top, hit Dad's Kitchen, man, and all of them gonna pop down, right? That's enough right there. So now, next step is we're going with the sauce, right? We're gonna whip the sauce up for you. We're going to get busy with this sauce. So we're gonna do about, I don't know, that's about 2 tablespoons. Go about 2 tablespoons of that cornstarch, right? This is just sauce, guys. Follow directions. You want it the bomb way, you do it Dad's way. Next, we're going with some soy sauce. Matter of fact, let's get some water for this. I wanna go a little water, maybe 3/4 of a cup, right? 3/4 of a cup. Stir it up. Get that cornstarch all up in there. Why are you using cornstarch? Don't worry about it. Follow directions. You want it the bomb way? You do it Dad's way right here on Dad's Kitchen. Now that's that, right? Now we're gonna go with soy sauce, Kikkoman. You have to have this, man. It's the best soy sauce in the world, man. All that other soy sauce ain't good. So right there, I went with about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Right? Just stir that real good. And then what we're going to do next, guys, is add a little Worcestershire sauce. It's up to you, but believe me, if you want it the bomb way, you do it Dad's way. We're gonna go with maybe 2 tablespoons of that, right? 2 tablespoons. You have to put what I'm telling you if you want it to taste bomber than the Chinese restaurants, man. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be so delicious to where when you eat this, you'll never go to Chinese takeout and order this again. You're gonna wanna eat it at home. That's delicious. So now next thing first, get over here, second step. Got the broccoli boiling, we made the sauce. So now guys, what we're gonna do next is heat this wok up, right? So you wanna heat the wok up and the broccoli's boiled. We're gonna heat this wok up, right? Broccoli's done 5 minutes. Let's go with the sesame seed oil. Remember, this is important. So you wanna cook these shrimp in the sesame seed oil. Look at that smoke. See that smoke? Yeah. How much sesame seed oil? Just enough to coat the shrimp, right? Now, we're gonna dump these shrimp. Woo! Woo! Yeah, we're gonna dump it. Now, you wanna cook these shrimp, right? You just wanna cook these shrimp till they're orange. Let me turn it, matter of fact, let me open the window because this is gonna interfere of what I'm saying to you guys. Excuse me, hold on for a minute. Let's open this window. And we just wanna, just wanna cook these shrimp. See how they turn orange? You want them to turn orange and the tail to curl up. You normally cook these shrimp for about, I say a good, you want to cook these a good 3 to 5 minutes too. 3 to 5 minutes. When I come back, I'm gonna show y'all the next step. Third step right here on Dad's Kitchen. Nobody does it better. Real simple dish. Don't take no more than 15 minutes to cook. I'll be back at you. Believe me, your family will love you for this one. So now we're just gonna get this broccoli up out of here, right? We're gonna drain it with this spoon I got. It's a drainer. So set this broccoli to the side. You know what I'm saying? The lovely bomb broccoli. Fresh broccoli too on top of that. Ain't nothing like some good broccoli, especially with cheese on it, right? Who love broccoli with cheese on it? Comment down below. So broccoli, we got that. We're gonna set this to the side, the broccoli. And then these shrimp almost done. Take these shrimp out. Hold on, let me grab some, take these out. Shrimp's done. About to take these shrimp out now. Yep. Nice and curled up. See that? Yeah. So we're just gonna dump them in that right there, right? Gonna leave all that in there, right? So, let me get y'all a little closer, man. So y'all can see what's going on. Zoom in. You wanna get this wok? Keep that wok hot, right? Now, you want to go with little oil just to coat the bottom, right? Little oil. Go to little oil, get that nice and hot. So, back, bam. Throwing them onions in. Remember them green onion I chopped up? Throwing them in, right? Gonna come with that garlic right behind it. Who loves garlic? I love it. Gonna come with that garlic, man, and fresh garlic. Ooh, yeah. The aroma, if y'all can smell this. Baby. The aroma, if y'all can smell this. What I wanna do, guys, is I wanna kick up a little notch, right? I wanna kick it up a little notch. I'm gonna throw some paprika on these shrimp, right? Paprika, y'all see? Paprika on the shrimp. I'm throwing some garlic salt, a little bit, right? Just to flavor it up. I'm throwing some black pepper, a little bit, right? And then next, in that garlic and them onions, I'm coming with some chili flakes just to spice it up a little notch. You see what I'm saying? Spice it up a little notch. Oh man, oh my goodness, that smells beautiful, guys. Yes, that smells beautiful. Throw a little garlic powder on the shrimp. It's whatever you want to season it with, man. But if you do it my way, it's the bomb way. Okay, now what you want to do next? Cut. Remember the broccoli? So now we back, guys. We back. We throwing that broccoli in. Good veggies, right? We throwing that broccoli in with them good veggies. Okay? And you want to get at a good stir, get them veggies all incorporated in with that broccoli, right? Okay? Okay? Just like that. Yeah, just like that. Man, I'm telling you. Next, all we gonna do is stir. Let me grab another spoon. We're just gonna stir all this lovely seasoning up in them shrimp, right? And we're gonna dump them shrimp in there too. Ooh, get all that flavor up in there, man. It's going down right here on Dad's Kitchen. Last step, guys, right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Now, it's going down right here. Oh my goodness. If y'all can smell the aroma in this. And do y'all remember my lovely sauce that I made? Look at the color on there, how beautiful that is. Don't that just look beautiful? Yeah. Let me stir it up for y'all can really see the color. This is the real color. I added a little dark soy sauce, but that's the real color. See that? Look at all the spices in there. Y'all ready? Now we're going in with the sauce. Oh my goodness. And you want to cook that, right? Going in with that sauce. We got it flamed up. We got it flamed up, baby. We got it flamed up. Woo! Can y'all see that, man? Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. And you see the thickness of that sauce? That's from that cornstarch. When you add, ain't putting cornstarch. Don't worry about it. Follow Dad's way if you want the brown way. Woo! Hey, I never cease to amaze myself. 15 minutes top, man. You got the bombing broccoli shrimp out there, man. Right here on Dad's Kitchen. Nobody does it better. I'm not playing with y'all, man. And if you're new here, hit that like button, man, too. Subscribe, man, because it's free. All you got to do is look for the highlight, subscribe button. Bing, hit that like, bing. Oh, look at that. Look at that watch. Look at that watch, baby. Look at that watch. Hey, man, it's going down, man. Hey, I'm gonna take a bite out of crying for y'all, because that's what I do right here for my peoples. And I'll be back at you, show y'all finished results right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Nobody does it better. Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we back with the finished product, man. Here it is. Ta-da! Bomb. You see all that garlic and all that, the red flakes and all that, everything I put in that, man, is bomb, baby. It's bomb. It's going down, man. The sauce dried up, and I wanted it to dry up. I don't want a runny shrimp and broccoli. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna say our prayer. We're gonna take a bite out of crying for y'all, man. Believe me, man, it's going down. Nobody's gonna do it. Get you a plate of hot bomb rice, man, some white rice. Eat it with that, or whatever you want to eat it with. But let me say our prayer. We're gonna do this. Amen. And watch this. See that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The taste is so bomb. It had that bomb Oriental flavor with it. Y'all don't know what y'all missing, man. Go get you some shrimp. Get you some broccoli. It don't have to be fresh broccoli if you don't want to go through the trouble. It'll even be quicker to make. Do what I did, step by step, and you'll have the bombest dish out there, man. Right here on Dad's Kitchen, nobody does it better. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Hit the like button, man, it's free. Don't be a hater. Till the next one, peace.